Describe 2 consequences of the Cairo Conference in 1964. 8 marks. This is the mark scheme for this question, which you can find out about in more detail in the overview video. But we do know that 4 marks are available for AO2, which is your analysis of consequence. So essentially, what happened as a result of the event, and why was it significant? Why was it important? To explain that, you need to be relying on AO1, which is also worth 4 marks, and that's for your knowledge and understanding of the period. So using evidence from your own knowledge to explain the consequence and explain why it's significant. It's that kind of detailed explanation using your own knowledge which shows that you can be analytical, and that is how you score highly on this question. You also need to demonstrate a detailed knowledge, so using evidence from your own knowledge is really, really important to score highly. And now there are lots of points you could bring in for this question, so as long as what you say is relevant and correct, the examiner will give you the marks. But let's take a look at an example. So you could say that one consequence was the creation of the Palestine Liberation Organization, which would go on later to play a key role in the Six-Day War in 1967, which you could explain briefly. Now, you don't need to go into too much detail because it's only worth 4 marks for that individual consequence, but you can explain sort of the later ramifications of the creation of the PLO. So there you can see that we've thought carefully about the importance of the consequence, used our own knowledge to expand on it and go into detail and show a really detailed understanding of the topic. Take a look at the other points to see if there's anything you could have included in your answer.